We met in kindergarten. We grew up in the same neighborhood, went to the same schools, went to the same church. We're best friends. Her children and her grandchildren would say they adore her, and so do I.
She's such a humble person. I'm sure she's not very happy with me saying all these positive things about her. But I just want to say that the success of Unity and our ability to continue and expand that mission that began 25 years ago is due to the leadership, commitment, and dedication of Dr. Janelle Getches.
We came wanting to be a part of this church community here, not knowing really what the directions would be, and we had 3 young children at that time. I was a United Methodist minister. She was a physician that really wanted to work with the poor. So things began very small. It began in an apartment house with a sheet down one of the rooms to create an exam room.
I came to know Janelle when I was vice president for nursing at Providence Hospital, and that began in 1979. I remember going to her first office, which was up a set of outside stairs to a rickety office upstairs, and how hard she was working to try to find a place to hospitalize her patients, to find places that would do lab work and x-rays.
She would call the health department and work on trying to get patient beds. That tenacity was really something to marvel at.
I have the extraordinary pleasure 25 years ago of first encountering this true dynamo, this force of nature that we all know as Janelle. I'll never forget it, and my life has been changed ever since.
Her desire to help people is only matched by her stamina. My father, Dr. Jesse Barber Jr., worked with her from the beginnings when this was Health Care for the Homeless Project.
I think the dream that she shares with us, the vision she gives, is given to her by God, and it seems to be ever expanding.
Every time she met a need, she started another program. So if the men came from the hospital, they had no home, and they came to Christ House. And when they got better, because of Janelle's terrific care, Christ House's care, they had no place to live, so she figured out how to open a place for them to live. If they were dying, they had no place to go to die. She worked with other people that she knows to be sure that they had some place to go to die.
I met Dr. Getches in 1991 when I came here at Christ House as a patient. I was homeless at the time. She was always letting you know that she would love you till you learn how to love yourself.
Janelle is the most powerful advocate for low-income people and their health that I have ever met.
She took a lot of grief when she challenged the abusive ways they were treated.
I remember in 1997, I was a volunteer in the clothing room, and she came down one morning and asked me would I like to have a job working for Unity Healthcare in the shower program, where our homeless brothers and sisters come in and get showers and clean clothes and stuff. I've been working it ever since.
She's the visionary, and she's the one that gets us into trouble. And I mean, it's good trouble.
You have made this world a better place, and we need more people like you. Congratulations.
I love you dearly. I am in constant awe of all the good you have done and how deep and profound your love is of God and of everybody in the family of God.
Thank you for everything you've done, and thank you for allowing me to be a part of your life.
Dr. Getches, just keep up the good work. You know, you're doing a fantastic job reaching out and helping people and giving other people a chance to have a better life.
Janelle, I love you.
This is a great and well-deserved celebration of you, but I think the way that you have taught me over the years, that it is a celebration more about the nature of the work itself and the people who are served.
I think one of the most powerful things are to hear people who've come to us and for whom in their own lives there has been the possibility for increased quality of care for them and increased quality of life for them.